Benefits of cocoa butter for skin care with Source. Benefits: an antioxidant powerhouse, a stretch mark and scar reducer, a deep moisturizer, a sensitive skin healer, boosting skin health, preventing stretch marks, moisturizing the skin. Queen Helene Cocoa Butter Face Plus Body Creme Review. Description: new look. Since 1930. Intense moisture. Soothes and softens extremely dry skin. Suggested use: massage a generous amount to hands, face or body. Warnings: caution, for external use only. Do not use on injured or irritated skin. Keep out of the reach of children. If skin irritation occurs, stop using the product. Not to be used by children under age 3. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.